2020 will no doubt be seared into the collective memories of all of us and will be remembered as one of loss on many fronts. At the Hein Law Firm, we work with clients to resolve their legal issues, workers' compensation claims, and immigration necessities. We're grateful to have been able to continue serving our growing list of clients during these challenging and uncertain times. For the first time in a very, very long time, we can truly look to the future with a genuine feeling of hope and gratitude during this holiday season. In the possibility of the imminent release of a viable vaccine that will rid humanity of the awful virus and COVID, and in hope for a peaceful transfer of power in the United States after what has been one of the most contentious and dangerous elections in American history, we can find a new spirit of possibility that will bring us important changes for our country and a new birth of freedom. Whatever our political ideology, we must remember that we are all Americans first and owe it to ourselves to come together for our common national goals. First, to defeat the scourge of the pandemic, and then to rebuild our country better and to defend American freedoms, innovation, and discovery that have always made us a leading nation. I humbly encourage all of you to live with purpose in your hearts, to help our fellow human beings where and whenever we can, especially at this time, a time in which so many have been impacted one way or another by this health crisis. As an immigration lawyer, I have the highest hopes I've had in over a decade for our immigration system, for DACA recipients, and the almost 11 million undocumented, mostly Hispanic people in this country to find a path to citizenship under the incoming administration. The news of a Cuban immigrant as head of the Homeland Security has been well received among those of us who believe that in spite of our troubles, the United States still remains a beacon of hope, a light to show the way for those seeking refuge from war, poverty, and repression, so that they can come and become Americans, so they can contribute to the betterment of our homeland, and as our forebears also did, make it their homeland. We should always celebrate our diversity as a strength, never see children as a threat, and never incarcerate or separate them from their mothers. This national shame will be forever associated with the last 4 years, but during the years to come, we must strive to do and be better. During this holiday season, let us celebrate the bonds of friendship, family, and the promise of tomorrow. From my family and staff at the Hein Law Firm, we wish you a very happy Christmas, and may 2021 see a world of recovery for all of us. Merry Christmas.